Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to rename a project on the Explain Everything app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the home page or the library, because you can find your projects in both places. At the home page you can see your projects at the recent projects section, and you can also see your projects in your library. Now if you want to change the name of one of your projects, you just have to tap on these three dots in the corner of the project, and below that it's going to open up the profile of the project, where you can see the details about the project, as the creation date, file size, number of slides, and duration. And obviously you can invite others to your project, you can share your project, and you can edit your project. Now if you tap on these three dots again, these four options are going to pop up: the rename, the duplicate project, the save as template, and delete. Now to rename your project, you just have to tap on rename, and you can start editing your project name right away. And when you have decided on a new name, you just have to tap on change name, and your project is renamed immediately. So that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.